Hello guys, welcome. In this video, let's see how to farm Exquisite Blood Diablo 4 Season 5 in the easiest way. Before getting into the video, I am on journey to reach 5,000 subs at the earliest, so it will help me bring you more tutorials like this. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel. To farm Exquisite Blood in Diablo 4 Season 5, focus on the following strategies. First, understanding Exquisite Blood. This resource is essential for upgrading your blood glyphs, which enhance your character's abilities. Farming it efficiently is crucial for maximizing your build. Second, optimal locations. Target areas with high mob density and elite monsters. Dungeons like the Sanguine Depths of the Forgotten Ruins are ideal due to the abundance of enemies and the likelihood of elite spawns. Third, utilizing events. Participate in world events and seasonal activities that reward blood resources. These events often provide higher drop rates for Exquisite Blood. Next, group play. Teaming up with other players can significantly increase your farming efficiency. More players mean faster clears of dungeons and events, leading to more loot drops. Next, gear and build optimization. Equip gear that boosts your damage output and survivability. Focus on builds that can quickly eliminate enemies, such as those with area of effect abilities. Next, daily and weekly quests. Complete these quests as they often reward blood resources. Prioritize quests that specifically mention blood or glyph upgrades. Next, blood harvesting. Use the blood harvesting mechanic effectively. Engage in activities that allow you to collect blood from slain enemies, as this can directly contribute to your exquisite blood stock. By concentrating on these strategies, you can maximize your farming efficiency for Exquisite Blood in Diablo 4 Season 5.